Nobody likes my nuts. It's over 24 hours, and squirrels haven't even laid tracks near it, but I have a plan. I hope I didn't scare him away. Salt's not working. I started this experiment on Thursday, January 8th. It is now Tuesday, January 13th. Up until yesterday, no squirrels touched my nuts. And due to a snowstorm, 3 inches of snow have covered my nuts. So the experiment has changed direction. We are now going to search my office for something that a squirrel might eat. And there's a good chance we'll find something, because I'm fat and I have food hidden, much like a squirrel. People in my office think I'm crazy. Salted nuts. Pretty sure that'll work. Pretzels. Squirrels love pretzels. And a bunch of caps that I was supposed to win an NFL hat with. It's bitterly cold outside too. Okay. Once again, that's where I live. And let's put them out a little further this time. Salted nuts with M&M's from Valentine's Day 06. Now I've got a terribly wet pair of pants, all for my nut experiment. And speaking of the nuts and pretzels,